Did you know that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth? That's a really big number. When we look up at the night sky, we see thousands of these twinkling wonders. But what exactly are stars? Stars are giant balls of hot gas, mostly hydrogen and helium. They shine brightly because of nuclear reactions happening deep inside them. Imagine a giant power plant, but instead of burning coal, it's fusing atoms together. This process releases enormous amounts of energy in the form of light and heat, which is what we see from Earth. Our sun is a star too. It's a pretty average star, not too big and not too small. But it's incredibly important to us because it provides the light and heat that make life on Earth possible. Without the sun, our planet would be a cold, dark, and lifeless place. Stars may seem eternal, but they have a life cycle just like living things. They're born, they live for billions of years, and eventually, they die. The way a star dies depends on how massive it is. Stars are born in giant clouds of gas and dust called nebulae. Over millions of years, gravity pulls the gas and dust together, causing it to heat up and spin. Eventually, the core of this collapsing cloud gets so hot and dense that nuclear fusion begins, and a star is born. Smaller stars like our sun will eventually run out of fuel and expand into red giants. These giants eventually shed their outer layers, leaving behind a small, dense core called a white dwarf. Larger stars, however, go out with a bang. They explode as supernovae, the brightest events in the universe. Stars don't just exist on their own, they're grouped together in vast collections called galaxies. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is a spiral-shaped city of billions of stars. Galaxies contain more than just stars. They also hold vast clouds of gas and dust, the raw materials for new stars. And lurking at the centers of most galaxies are supermassive black holes, objects so dense that not even light can escape their gravitational pull. The Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. These galaxies come in all shapes and sizes, spirals, ellipticals, and irregulars. They're scattered across the vastness of space, separated by unimaginable distances. The universe is everything, all of space and time, and everything in it. It's so big that it's almost impossible to imagine. Light travels at an incredible speed, but it still takes billions of years for light from the most distant galaxies to reach us. When we look up at the night sky, we're looking back in time. The light from those distant stars and galaxies has been traveling for millions or even billions of years to reach our eyes. The universe is also expanding, which means that the distance between galaxies is constantly increasing. This expansion has been happening ever since the Big Bang, the event that marked the beginning of the universe. Studying space is important because it helps us understand our place in the universe. It allows us to explore the wonders of the cosmos and learn about the fundamental laws of physics that govern our universe. And who knows, maybe one day we'll discover that we're not alone in this vast and mysterious cosmos. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, World is Good.